Something just came to my mind. Mango always have seasons. Yes. And there are some other fruits, cashew, always have season. January, that period. Mangoes around this period. Is it not possible that beans also, God just made it that it's around that August you must plant it? I don't know. If you have something to say, drop it in the comment section. Let's see. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko Emeka Moses of the Omenoko Lifestyle channel. So on this episode of this beans farming, I'm combining 10 days together. Today is 15th of April 2025. So the last video I posted was on day 5. Was on the 5th of April. So today is 15th. So 10 days I've not posted on this experiment, and that's because I've been quite busy renovating some of those apartments there for tenants. So, and not just that, with some other things as well. But right now I'm back, and although I've been filming, but I've not edited, so I will not post just all those videos I've been filming because it's still the same thing. We don't have flowers yet, and today is day 68 of the experiment, 15th of April, day 68. The last video I posted was day 58. So this video is going to be video of 59, day 60, day 61, day 62, day 63, day 64, day 65, day 66, day 67, day 68. 10 days video all in this one episode. We still don't have flowers yet in the beans. So, and normally we're supposed to have just 7 days to harvest, which is on day 75 of the experiment. But 68 we still don't have flowers, so we can't be talking about harvest on its day 75. So, well, I'm still going to flip the camera and show you what it looks like. We still don't have flowers yet. We're still hoping for flowers. I have no lectures particularly for today because there are other things I want to attend to. But from tomorrow, we're going to continue posting daily. But this episode that comprises 10 days, still no flowers. Let me flip the camera and let you see. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, we're carrying out a beans farming experiment that is supposed to tell us if beans can be planted and harvested during the dry season. And this is our day 68. And still no flowers, no pods. Can beans really be harvested during the dry season? Let me flip the camera so that you can see. Thank you. Subscribe, like, drop a comment. The beans vines or the stems are just growing longer and longer and thicker, but no flowers. No flowers, no pods. They are growing longer and thicker. So having seen that, the beans vines are growing longer and thicker, but still no pods. Beans in dry season. Anyways, let's keep watching. If you are visiting for the first time, like, share, drop your opinion and what you think. If you've ever planted beans in the dry season and you succeeded, you got a harvest, you did everything, please let us know if beans can be grown in the dry season, or we actually have to wait every year for the period that beans is meant to grow and produce. Thank you.